When I'm looking at you and you're looking at me, I can feel something. What can it be?
You know why I'm called in the beginning of an episode? जब कहानी थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी हो. Well, I know I'm cool with all things twisted and difficult, but यहाँ तो बैंड बाजा ब्राइड की हिस्ट्री के सारे ट्विस्ट मानो इकट्ठे मेरे सर पे गिर गए. आपको लग रहा है मैं बस बोले जा रहा हूँ, है ना? ठीक है, you decide. ट्विस्ट नंबर 1, हम यहाँ शादी के मेकओवर्स के लिए नहीं आए. शादी का मेकओवर नहीं है तो हम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? Well, हम यहाँ संगीत का मेकओवर करने आए हैं. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, हमारी ब्राइड ने हमारे ग्रूम को नॉमिनेट किया है. भैया ये तो अलग ही ट्विस्ट है. अब ऐसा हुआ क्या, ये जानने के लिए हम उनसे मिलते हैं. I'm going to catch them in the middle of their संगीत practice and get to know more. This is very, very interesting. So just keep following. बस यार. You know guys, this song and dance is absolutely fantastic, but I really need to know. आप लोगों में से यार साजिद कौन है? साजिद मियां, आप कहाँ छुपे हुए हैं? आप आगे आइए. आपको यहाँ खड़ा होना चाहिए. यार एक सवाल का जवाब दीजिए मुझे. इस शो का नाम है बैंड बाजा ब्राइड. हाँ जी. सेंसेशनल एंट्री हो रही है ग्रूम की. भाईजान ये हुआ कैसे?
अरे यार क्या बताओ, मैं 5 दिन पहले आया इंडिया और मेरे को ट्रिक करके इधर लेके आया नौशीन ने.
नौशीन. अब भैया ये बताइए यहाँ नौशीन किधर है? उनको भी ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
वो रही.
Yes. Nosheen. Hi Nosheen.
Hi.
So now that we have our band baja bride Jodi with me, it's time to get all inquisitive, curious. और मैं आप दोनों से ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि ये सब हुआ कैसे. Yes.
Let's go.
After you. हाँ तो नौशीन, साजिद, सबसे पहला सवाल. ये शादी तो हो रही है ना, क्योंकि हम लोग तो आपके संगीत पे आ रहे हैं.
ऑफ कोर्स शादी तो हो ही रही है, पर वे मुस्लिम, सो वी हैव अ निकाह, और वो हमारे मॉस्क में, जिसको जमात खाना बोलते हैं, वहाँ पे हो रहा है. एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंटीमेट अफेयर, लाइक 50-60 पीपल, जस्ट फैमिली, और वहाँ पे कैमराज अलाउड नहीं होंगे. सो बट दैट डजंट मीन आई कांट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द शो. आई रियली वांट टू. Hi, my name is Nosheen Khakiani. Born and brought up in Bombay. I'm a Bandra girl. I was working as a marketing manager, and now I am ready to be a part of my big fat Indian wedding with this man.
My name is Sajid Merchant. I was born and brought up in Bombay, and I have been working in America as a software engineer.
I was at Sabyasachi, the store, and I was trying my outfits, and that's when I heard someone saying this is a Jodi special. So I thought I should just drag Sajid in it, considering he thinks he's some Lord Falkland. Now is his chance of knowing what actually wedding planning is, and कितनी मेहनत जाती है शादी करने में.
Well, that's like a double whammy, don't you think, Lord Falkland? I mean Sajid. But ये जरूर जानना चाहेंगे कि how did this beautiful story begin? आप लोग कहाँ मिले, कब मिले, कैसे मिले, etc. 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 etc.
Last year I turned 26, and my parents freaked out because I didn't have a man in my life, and they're like, boss अभी शादी करनी है, अभी नहीं होगी तो कब न कभी नहीं होगी. And they went on a crazy manhunting spree. So whenever I used to get a rishta or a proposal, my parents would ask the opposite party to have the guy add me on Facebook. So Sajid's mom's best friend happened to see me in the mosque and informed Sajid about me. He added me on Facebook and we started talking. I responded to his request because it was very well drafted and good grammar and correct English, unlike, hey Nosh, excuse me, you can't call me Nosh.
So nothing like, will you do friendship with me?
No, very nice, very good. I live in Seattle, I've born and brought up in Bombay, I like sushi, and I was like, oh.
I don't know, man, like sushi should be interesting.
Some class.
And then how did things kind of unfold?
He happened to come down last year in December for a friend's wedding in Delhi. And so he came here for a couple of days, like 5 to 6 days in Bombay, where I met him.
I met her for the first time, things were a little weird and a little awkward, we were both nervous. So one of the days I decided that we should probably do something interesting, fun, kuch naya. So we went to Lonavala. Zip lining kiya, bungee jumping kiya. And then after that was when we actually clicked as a couple, I think.
So that was
I think we opened up to each other.
easier to say that was like a day of bonding.
Absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely.
And when did you both know, or how did it come to fall that you were going to get married?
When the marriage topic came up, my mom was saying, ki, kya karna hai? Are we ready to, talk to their parents? So at that point of time, I wasn't sure till I realized that I will not be able to live the rest of my life without her. So in March, I decided to come down and put a ring on it.
Very nice arranged marriage.
Yes.
Now love.
हाँ तो नौशीन इस खूबसूरत सी लव स्टोरी का अंजाम अब ये है that you both are our बैंड बाजा ब्राइड जोड़ी on the season 5 of the show. And जब आपने हमको लिखा था, you said that you feel that he desperately needs बैंड बाजा ब्राइड.
Yeah, absolutely.
भैया ऐसा क्यों?
Arey, because he also needs to look even more handsome and,
That is what you need to put on record. Go on.
more dashing and, like charming, and that he already is.
How do you feel about this whole makeover idea?
I heard about this. I was actually not on board with it because obviously I had not watched the show before or
And he's camera shy.
Yes, and I'm camera shy. But eventually, after a lot of bargaining,
Yeah, I've given him 5 passes all his life that he can use against me to be on the show.
supposedly I'm
Yeah.
allowed to win arguments,
Yeah.
choose vacations,
Yeah.
and decide other things.
Cuisines, what to eat.
I'm not going to use it for small stuff.
Okay,
It's only
okay,
for
okay.
big things. Okay, so that's the idea that I get something in exchange for something that she really, really wants. And honestly, I would have done it without the 5 passes. So too bad.
But somewhere down the line, I know this is going to be totally worth it.
हाँ so guys, अब ये तो तय हो चुका है now that the deal is in place. आपका ये makeover तो हो रहा है. And there is going to be great emphasis on you. Let me tell you that first thing. लेकिन इस journey की शुरुआत करने से पहले I would want to see this big smile on the face of the bride, and which is why I'm going to begin this makeover journey with a Band Baja Bharat moment. What say?
Done.
Are
Bring
you-
it on.
Are you aware
Yeah.
of Band Baja Bharat moments?
Yes, I've been watching the show, and you always surprise the bride with something very pampering and classy.
She's including me. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ये
Please.
टेस्ट में पास हो गई. So इसी बात पे may I start with your first gift from India's one-stop shop for luxury brands, of course, which is curated by a celebrated Indian stylist, Purnia Qureshi.
So many goodies. Oh wow, bling. Can I
Yes,
try it on?
Yes, please. This is all yours.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you. Very useful in Seattle. Oh, it's a pretty scarf. Very nice. Thank you so much.
Pleasure is all mine, as always. And well, this is just the beginning. There is a lot in store for the both of you. But before we actually jet set on this fascinating journey of yours, I have a job at hand. So I would take a minute of your time. Now that our jodi is finally ready and the makeovers are going to happen, well, I would like to say this, that Freesia, हमेशा आम तौर पर आप मेकओवर्स का ध्यान रखती हैं, ब्राइड को, ग्रूम को अपने साथ लेके चलती हैं, बट यहाँ पर थोड़ी सी कहानी में ट्विस्ट है. दिस टाइम अराउंड I am here. I am going to take care of our groom and the bride, take them through their makeovers, but most importantly, give this whole makeover a man's perspective. And this here is going to be a list of things to do for our beautiful Jodi here. So guys, sit up a little straight. Let me see what needs to be done here. Okay, hair needs attention. Yes, of course. Skin, definitely. You guys are looking at maybe. Why not? So, Tricia, this is going to be your talisman for the rest of this journey. And follow this to the T and you will hit the right notes. Perfect, guys? Are we ready?
Yeah.
You want to see a little bit of magic? Let's do it. Yes? Tricia, with love, Bharat.
Hair, skin, fitness, Lakme, grooming, romance, adventure, pampering, teeth, blush. Sushi? Bharat, what kind of list is this? Itne sare requirements? Arey, you can't just send a requirement like this. You have to also be a little specific, na? Itne sare makeovers mein na ek naya aadmi aa jayega. Well done. Okay, so the challenge is accepted. I will do all these makeovers, but you also have to do your fair share. So I'll tell you what, why don't we start with skin? I think that's a good idea. You've seen the groom, right? You've seen his eyebrows? All I need you to do is just make sure that those eyebrows are in perfect shape. Just that thing will add that little touch to his face.
When Sajid came in and I looked at his eyebrows, he had very thick, bushy eyebrows. He needed reduction in the eyebrows. Next on his face, when we went on, he also had very stubborn lines on the forehead. Those are the horizontal frown lines. Moving down the face, he had very prominent laugh lines because of the weight of his cheeks. And lastly, there was a lot of bulk on the under chin area. So we decided to correct these problems. So Bharat, should we go on with our treatments now? Should we start?
Yes, absolutely, Doc. How much time should all this take?
3 hours, that's it.
3
Yeah.
hours?
For the eyebrows, we decided to do the laser hair removal, wherein we first shaped the eyebrows and then we passed the laser. And there was an instant change in his eyebrows. Next, we moved on to treat his forehead wrinkles with the Botox treatment. Moving down, the technology we decided was the Ultra Former, which is the HIFU technology and which is just new in India. It's very, very new. With this technology, it's a non-surgical treatment wherein we just knocked off and tightened up his fat under chin, and it also gave him a nice shaping of his lower face.
Visha, I have to give this to you. मुझे अभी तक ये समझ नहीं आया how you managed to pull this off, because you know, I mean, I had nothing to do, hours and hours of wait, but then the results are absolutely mind-boggling. You know, Bushman is actually looking human. दूल्हे के मेकओवर्स तो बहुत बढ़िया चल रहे हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है अब डॉक्टर गोयल should also take a look at our bride's skin. I think she needs it too.
The bride Nausheen, a very pretty bride, she had stress acne which were very visible on her face. I think she's broken out into this acne in last few days. She's also had acne in her past. So because of that, she has a lot of acne scars on her face. We decided to treat that next. So let's start.
Okay.
First priority was acne. So we did an acne cleanup for her. We also gave her enzyme shots into the acne so that her acne would subside. Second thing were the acne scars. For that we did a laser called Helios laser. Nausheen, we are done with your treatments.
Okay.
Do you want to have a look at your skin?
Yes, definitely. Definitely become softer and the stars have lightened up. We felt like a brand new person after the treatment and in such little time.
And you know, Sajid is equally ecstatic about his results.
Okay.
Do you want to meet Sajid?
Yes,
You want to
definitely.
see him? Yes.
Hi, Nausheen.
Hi, Bharat.
Are you expecting somebody else, no?
Yeah, actually, I was expecting my fiance, but
Just break my heart, but then what do I do? I'll just reveal your groom to you. Walk in, buddy.
Hi.
hi. Oh my
You look
God.
very pretty.
Thank you.
I was right away, like, you know, floored by just her acne, just pretty much had disappeared right away at that point of time. And she was looking really pretty.
Your jawline is so defined.
And then obviously when I, you know, she pointed out how I was looking really nice, you know, I was very happy with that, you know, like the eyebrows were looking much better, and it was just a much cleaner look to my face after the whole thing was done, you know. I felt like younger.
Well done, Bharat, on successfully completing your first makeover. Now it's time for you to move on to your second task. I want you to focus on fitness, okay? Yes, I know 10 days is not enough to lose weight, but why don't you initiate them? Introduce them to something fun, something that they can even continue in Seattle. Oh, and make sure that it's different, unique.
No, Prisha, I must tell you, this fitness thing is a brilliant idea. Pat on my back for that. Of course you have to lose weight. Fitness, health, and particularly healthy eating should be a way of life. As you see me chomping this pizza down, these guys are sweating their off, trying to lose that weight, trying to burn those calories, and I promise you, these guys are just so super dedicated.
Sajid and Nausheen had a great 1-hour class of beat pump. Beat pump is something that we have started new at Way of Life Studio, where we pick up weights as well as we do a lot of cardio.
With dumbbells, we were working out on like really cool music, and it was more like a fun workout. Like we were enjoying it and we were laughing at it.
In today's class, we worked on abs, arms, as well as a lot of cardio. Nausheen had her trouble areas as her arms. Hence, we did a lot of arm movements, a lot of bicep curls, a lot of tricep movements. And yes, definitely, Sajid has to work on his abs. So we did a lot of abs as well as we had fun dancing. 1-hour class of Beat Pump helps you shed around 700 calories.
The workout was very effective because everything was hurting.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, and you know, at the end we were really tired, we were exhausted, you know, it was really hardcore, but we need to continue this after after all the wedding stuff is over, because
Hopefully.
we are going to put on a few pounds in the wedding for sure.
Definitely. This is way of life. No?
Under Bharat's expertise, we've got our Dulha from Seattle sweating and glowing all at once. And our beautiful bride, she's loving it. Can I up the makeover quotient at the Lakme Absolute Salon?
When I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me, and you're looking at me.
So Prisha, so far so good. The makeovers are going full throttle. The jodi you can see are having a spectacular time. And हमारे साजिद मियाँ का तो मैं क्या बोलूँ, उनकी तो काया पलट हो गई है. अब आगे के लिए, you know, just further few more instructions for you. I believe you're going to take them to Lakme Absolute, where of course you're going to handle the bride. But हमारे दूल्हे मियाँ का क्या? Don't you think his hair needs a little bit of attention?
Yeah, Bharat, there's no need to be so smug. 2 makeovers doesn't make you some kind of makeover expert. And what makeover expert sits outside and eats pizza while his jodi is inside sweating and slogging it out? Very bad. Tell you what, you stick to what you do. I'm the makeover queen here on Band Baja Bride. But yeah, you're right. Their hair does need a little work, which is why I've got them here to the Lakme Absolute Salon. So let me see what magic we can do. So guys, what should we do with your hair? So Sajid, I can see your hair and it's a little fuzzy. So other than the obvious haircut that we will do today, what I want to do is give you a hair spa treatment. It'll just relax your hair and make it a little softer.
Sounds great.
Okay. And Nausheen, I love your hair.
Thank you.
It's got so much volume, so much texture. I don't think you need any kind of treatment.
Right.
I don't want to mess with the structure of your hair right now. But your hair is very dark.
Yes. I've never colored my hair, so it's just been like that since birth.
Your natural dark hair. What we notice on camera normally is that if you go 2 tones lighter, the hair kind of highlights and it shows up and it looks a little more...
In wedding pictures.
Yeah, it looks a little more natural actually. So what I'm going to suggest is that you also color your hair today.
Okay.
So let's go meet the hair experts.
Sounds
Let's
good.
go. I was going to do my hair this time, and again in that chair in front of a mirror, people were dissecting, oh ye theek karna hai, wo theek karna hai.
I decided I wanted to color my hair, and I really needed an expert to tell me what would suit my skin. I always wanted to do burgundy and wine, something on those tones, but the person there suggested that I should do like hazel and caramel and shades of brown, and I was there nicely getting pampered and coloring my hair.
All of the girls up in the club.
So you're the lucky groom that has got 5 passes. So have you been thinking about how you're going to use these passes?
I think first one is, vacation spots.
Pass number 2.
He wants to buy a small, car, like a girl's car.
Right.
I'm not going to let her do that.
What a waste! Like if I were him, first weekend I want to go out with my boys, like the whole weekend to Vegas or take a trip. Then I would be like playing video games all weekend. That's how you use your pass, not on cars and vacations and stupid things like that. Anyway, I'm going to decide those. What is the use?
So Sajid, best of luck buddy, and I hope you actually get to use any of them.
They did a really good job. They started with the haircut and then they did the hair spa after that to, add volume to my hair and make it look nice and lush.
The makeover is complete, and Mr. Bharat, this is what you call a makeover. This is what you call a transformation. With a flick of her hair, she has him swooning. But let's see what will make her go weak in the knees. This is not for the faint-hearted.
When I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me. When I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me.
Finally came the most awaited part of the show. I finally got to meet Sabyasachi himself. We were discussing about the color of the lehenga, which was a priority for me, of course.
So you don't want pink, you don't want mustard, you don't want green, you don't want orange, and you don't want red. So you're in the luxury business now, so that's why you're so discerning.
And picky.
Picky? Well, it's good to be picky. Why don't you like these colors?
Because everybody will be wearing these colors in my Sangeet. And I want to wear something that nobody would have worn.
Well, in that case, you'll have to wear black.
Okay, so why not? We can wear black.
You can?
Yeah, is that a problem?
But Sabya, isn't wearing black a taboo?
Pratiksha. By the way, meet Pratiksha.
Hi, Nausheen. Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Pratiksha is the one who's going to be designing fabulous jewelry for you. She's from Kishan Das and Company. and Kishan Das and Company are heritage jewelers from Hyderabad, and I have to tell you, they do spectacular jewelry.
Okay.
But on that note, Pratiksha, black is what she wants to wear.
Then what about the jewelry? We thought we were doing traditional for her, right?
Let's see what you've got. Aha.
I'm also going to be wearing this at the nikah, like an uncut set. So I thought we could do something different, something non-traditional but yet beautiful.
You're gravitating towards diamonds, huh? Pratiksha, she wants diamonds, huh?
Diamonds? I love diamonds. That's any jeweler's dream.
Yeah, but what can we do better if I don't want to do diamonds?
If you don't want to do diamonds and she doesn't want to wear something traditional, we can do something in the middle, like, you know, something higher than polkis and something a little lower than diamonds, something like rose cuts.
Yeah, rose cuts would be nice.
And we'll do it a little Victorian by doing some cut diamonds with the rose cuts.
Here are the pictures building in my head because I have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful dupatta. It was not meant for a lehenga, but I'll be inspired to make a lehenga with it. And a red rose. Do you have something?
Sabya, I'm a jeweler. I always have tricks in my bag. Actually, I got something to show one of our clients, and I don't mind showing it to her first. It's a beautiful choker with rose cuts and diamonds, which is set in a Victorian style, and I'm sure it's
Black
going
gold?
to... Of course, yes.
So, shall we get her dressed?
Of course, let's start.
When I think of Nausheen's lehenga discussions with me, I just think of one word, effortless. The bride wanted black. I was game. I had a beautiful, beautiful black dupatta. Pratiksha had some gorgeous jewelry in her purse, which she was going to show somebody else. We just fit in. And a beautiful red rose plucked from a vase in the store. And she was picture perfect.
It's perfect.
This time, the look for the bride is going to be reinterpreted as the Noah princess, because she's of course wearing black with a lot of rose cuts and diamonds, with a red rose, and with beautiful gothic smoky eyes, pale lips and lazy hair. She's going to look absolutely, absolutely stunning. Chalo, you're all set.
Yes.
This is the magic of Band Baja Bride Makeovers. Things just fall into place. When I think of Nausheen, I think she's just so easy and lovely because she didn't give anybody a hard time. She just knew what she wanted because she believed all along the way that she would just get it. And good things happen to good people. But what really excited me was the fact that when I met her fiancé, all he wanted was a beautiful black and ivory sherwani.
Definitely that one better.
But you know what? Because you're going to lift up a lot of hands
Yeah,
and move like
yeah.
that, so it's nicer that I give this to you. But I'll probably give this to you in this style. Of course, I had to crop it to a bandi so that he would get more arm movement because he wanted to dance. And I just thought, what a magical couple, because he's a little shy and he was ready to come on national television just for his bride. You're a good sport. You're kind to your wife.
The first ever bride in black hasn't stopped smiling. Time we gave her pearlies a good polish. And a little fun and game never hurt anyone.
When I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me. When I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me.
Bharat, when you decided to take on makeovers, I was so relieved. I mean, you've decided to ease such a burden off me. So kind of you. But you know, when you take something on, you should see it through. I had to bring Nausheen over here to Dr. Bhola Bhai's clinic. Mujhe pata hai, with the sound of the drill, you'll go running out of this building. But don't worry. That's why I'm in charge of makeovers. In fact, Nausheen is with Dr. Bhola Bhai right now.
Next on my journey came my trip to the dentist. According to Bharat, I have crooked teeth in the front.
Like Bugs Bunny.
Okay, whatever. So Dr. Bhola Bhai was really cool. He sat me down and he said, I'm going to fix your front teeth.
When I examined the teeth, I found that the right central incisor tooth was rotated towards the center. The left one was also rotated, not as bad, and the left lateral incisor was crooked. So we had to work on both the incisors in front, the central incisors, the left lateral, and bring them into a good arch form. because the two central incisor teeth were rotated towards the center, we had to remove a little bit of material on the sides by grinding it with the dental burrs, after which we created veneers on the teeth directly on the chair and made them look like they were in the right position, gave them the correct form, and relative size of both the teeth was similar to one another, so it gave good symmetry in the front of them. The moment has come for you to see what we have done. Risha, should we give her the mirror?
All right, so here you go.
Is this for real? It's like perfectly. I had perfect looking red carpet actor-actress teeth, and I think Sajid thought that was the best part of the show.
Yeah, like her teeth are just amazing right now, and I can't even make fun of her anymore for this. So I'm happy about the good teeth, but I lost like a joking thing, so I'm kind of bummed out about that.
Thank you, BBB. I'm not called Bugs Bunny anymore, all thanks to you.
So Nosheen, with that, your makeover journey here on BBB comes to an end. But you know what? I have one more surprise for you.
Okay.
So I'm going to take you and we're going to meet Sajid over there.
Okay, good.
Let's go.
Thanks.
For our last stop for the Band Baja Bride journey, we were invited to go to the Rado store. I was there before Nosheen showed up, and I was picking out a watch for her, and then she showed up, and we were going through watches.
This is a nice one.
Isn't that dial too big for her hand?
No, just look at it.
She kept picking big watches, men's watches, and when I asked her about it, she said, no, I want a big watch because I really like the look of a bigger watch on my wrist.
This one's our newest arrival. It's called the Hyperchrome Plasma.
You want to try it on?
Why don't you try it on?
Why am I trying this on? You should try this on, right? You want it.
But isn't it really strange that she only kept choosing men's watches?
Yeah, I was wondering what... Risha, what are you up to?
Your sweet fiancé was given the option of coming to the Rado store over here and choosing a watch for herself.
Yes.
And Nosheen, being the sweetheart that she is, realizes that you have really done a lot for her to come on this show. So she's nominated you to get the watch instead of her.
So sweet.
I thought I wanted to thank him for coming on the show for me. I thought it was really sweet. So I thought I should gift him the watch instead.
Wow. I really like this watch.
But before you wear it, hang on, there's a catch.
Okay.
Something this good can't come so easily, right?
Absolutely.
But Rado has also been kind enough to gift Nosheen a watch as well.
Oh, okay.
But you have to earn it.
Okay.
So Nosheen, what I want you to do is get down on your knees and with the Rado watch that Sajid just chose, you need to propose to him. A 1-minute proposal to your to-be husband.
Okay.
लेकिन नौशीन मैडम जी आपको हिंदी में करना है.
Oh my God.
हाँ. और एकदम शुद्ध हिंदी में करना है.
Okay.
And your time starts now.
जब से मैंने तुम्हें देखा है मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ अपनी जिंदगी बिता सकती हूँ और तुम मेरे नखरे झेल सकते हो. इसीलिए मैं तुमसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि क्या आप मुझसे शादी करोगे?
Yes, of course.
Nosheen, full marks for attempting that proposal, really. But you know what, you guys are too cute. And you won our hearts, and of course, you get to keep these 2 Rados. So Sajid's already chosen his, and Nosheen, why don't you go ahead and choose yours?
finally we did win our Rado watches.
This is the Hyperchrome watch with diamond stud in it.
This is the best one. The 12 diamonds.
Yeah, I think so.
We got to pick and choose the ones we like, and we're very happy with it.
Time is ticking and the day of the Sangeet is here. Our Noir princess and her Prince Charming, they can't wait to put on their dancing shoes. And if you can't wait to see them shake a leg either, come back to see the amazing transformation right up to the dance floor.
When I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me. When I'm looking at you, and you're looking at me.
Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. Please join us as we celebrate the beginning of ours. That is beautiful.
Thank you.
You believe in fairy tales?
Of course I do. Me meeting Sajid is like a fairy tale. Me on your show getting pampered and wearing a Sabyasachi outfit is a fairy tale.
And you know how they say in fairy tales, and they lived happily ever after the end? This is not the end for you at all. We still have your dreamy BBB rituals that are going to take place, and I'm going to get you completely ready for your Sangeets today.
Can't wait.
So as part of the BBB rituals, what I have for you is this. The Lakme Absolute Bridal Dream Team has put together the Lakme Bridal Trousseau box. Now this box has the Lakme Absolute Gloss Collection, and Nosheen, it's meant just for you.
Thank you. I really like the colors. Thank you so much.
So this Lakme Absolute Bridal box is going to transform you into a Noir princess. But I have to tell you that a princess, she definitely needs her lehenga.
I'm looking forward. I can't wait to see it. And I can't wait to meet Sabyasachi again.
So let's not waste any more time. Here you go, Nosheen.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
It's gorgeous, Nosheen. I can't wait to see you in it.
It's perfect.
So ladies, what's the verdict? Happy with the lehenga?
It's more than my dream come true. Like, I never even imagined or dreamt of this.
You know, I think this is going to look stunning. I'm very excited because this is our first Sangeet this season, and you're going to look very glamorous, but you could do with a little bit of help. A makeup artist par excellence that I really admire. His name is Naush. First time on Band Baja Bride, but we have worked before on Mani Ratnam's Ravan.
Wow.
Welcome to Band Baja Bride.
Thank you.
And I have to tell you something, I've chosen him especially for this episode because this is Sangeet. He's stunning and you get to do glamorous makeup.
Oh yeah.
As the day breaks, we remember all the battles we faced, and we
While our Noir princess gets ready for one of the most memorable nights of her life, Team BBB is making sure that every moment is captured by photographer Riddhi Parekh.
hold your head up high, we will make it through. Feel your fire soar, stronger than before. Let the
Oh, I love the hair. It is gorgeous.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Thank you.
So the next thing I'm going to give you, I've been dying to give it to you because I know that you, of all people, is going to really treasure it and really value it. So, here you go.
Jules! Thank you so much. Can I open them?
Of course you can.
Wow. They go so perfectly with the lehenga.
They have been chosen just for that. These Jimmy Choo shoes are beautifully crafted shoes and they're an amalgamation of beauty and glamour. I have to tell you, these are the kind of shoes that every bride has to wear before she says, I do.
I love them. They're classy and subtle and gorgeous.
All right, I think I've taken up enough of your time. I'll leave you guys to it and I'll see you all soon.
Hold your heads up high, we will make it through. Feel your fire soar, stronger than before. Let the sun shine down, let the light inspire. We will find our way, we will find our way. Hold your heads up high, we will make it through. Feel your fire soar, stronger than before. Let the sun shine down, let the light inspire. We will find our way, we will find our way. And I know that you'll always be stronger than you know. Like a
I can see that you're quite ready and you look stunning, but not without the finishing touch. Dutch roses from my store, dark red, to be kept right behind your ear, and you're going to look like a princess, like a Noah princess. But on that note, I'll hand these roses to you because her fiancé is still not ready and I need to take care of him. I think you look quite dapper. It's stunning. So you're all set to go, shall we? Shall we?
Once in a lifetime, you come along, pushing the boundaries, rewriting the song. And maybe tomorrow we can be great, but just for the moment, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful
Oh, look at you guys, huh? Look lovely.
Our newer prince and princess.
You look amazing.
I think it requires a selfie.
Absolutely.
Shall
Let's do
we?
one. Look there.
Ready?
It's a beautiful day.
And now, because she's ready and he's ready and we are on time, time for some music. Let's get the band.
Sajid Merchant, thank you so much for being on the show, for being so awesome. You're just such a wonderful guy, and anybody would be lucky to have you, and I'm the lucky one. Thank you very much for tolerating all my nakras, and I cannot wait to be Nausheen Merchant.
Nausheen, I love you so much that I would do this show again for you 100 times over, and I cannot imagine my life without you. I cannot wait for you to move to Seattle with me and spend every day with you and go out and eat sushi and just be with you forever and ever.
Next week is the journey of a Page 3 photographer, his lovely bride and an amazing dad whose gift to them is, well, Band Baja Bride of course. Tune in to catch the glam, the romance, the drama and some very, very Page 3 makeovers.